So today I got here and I lagged, kind of hard to see, I lagged all those there. Made sure all the poles were all straight across the bottom here, right here. Put them underneath. And I cut all the tops off of every one of these poles. Right here. See? I cut them all off. Right there. Cut the tops off of there. Every one of those right there. Pretty straight. That one right there is off a little bit. But when I put those rails up like those right there, it's going to suck the whole thing right in tight. It'll be a permanent fixture. I got the U-bolts right there. Just trying them out. Right there. Trying them out right there. It's running all the way up. That angle up there. That's 8 feet up there. And it's 4 feet right here. 4 feet in the ground. All pretty good. These are oak posts. And tomorrow, I did all that here. I did that in like 4 hours. And then tomorrow I'm going to put all those rails up. And yeah, it's hard work. All right. Follow me on Instagram. All right, cool. Bye now.